Hi, Enrique here. Today we're going to go over how to draw Mario versus Bowser. Woo! It's going to be a simple lesson for beginners, and we're just going to hop directly into it. So let's get started and do this together. Alrighty, let's start with Mario here on the left side. Alright, so we're going to put him down here. I'm going to make him a little bit shorter than Bowser, because Bowser's head's gonna be way bigger, but we're gonna put Mario's head right here. So, well, when I'm looking right at him, I'm gonna start with, and again, it's a side view, right? I'm gonna start with just his ear right here, and it's gonna be like a C shape, just a straight up C shape, right here, just like that. Okay. It's kind of weird to start with his ear, right? But so we're gonna do curve for the ear. Right on. I'm going to pull this line from the ear, okay, and I'm going to pull it down, curve over here, up, right there. Does a sideburn. Line up. It's going to be that brim of the hat. Curve here for that brim of the hat. Curve here. Alright, it's gonna be the front of his eyes. And then right here we're gonna go into the eyeball, okay? So gonna go right here. Front of the eyeball. Curve for the back of the eyeball. Now we're going to go over here the iris and the pupil. Circle. Square right there inside, that's going to be that highlight. We're going to go over here. Fill that in, that dot of the eye. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a big C curve for the nose. Alright. Down below the nose here, I'm going to curve a line back up. U-shape. 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 And I'm going to fill that in. Fill that in. Alright? Right on. Okay, now I'm going to go back of his ear and I'm going to kind of curve here for kind of the back of the jaw. Curve down. Up. And then we're going to do another little bump right there for that lower lip, alright? Cool. Gonna go over here and pull a line over here for the stomach area. Gonna pull a right here for the back of the hair on the back of the head here. Curve. Curve. Up. Line over here. Let's go to the back of the hat, okay? So it's a small bump right here. Alright, we're going to follow it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw, I go over how to draw marker drawings, go over how to draw the basics of drawing, you know, all kinds of stuff. I go over pencil drawings. Tons and tons of stuff coming to the channel, so don't forget to follow. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve for that bump. Go over here on this side, and I'm gonna draw a big bump here. Line out, down, for the brim of that hat. Alright? Doing good so far, hopefully. You alright? You guys doing good? Sweet. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the brow. It's gonna be literally over his hat. Go over here to find the front of the hat. Curve for that circle. And we're gonna go over here and find half that M, okay? Up, down. Line over here, up, down. Line over here. Down. Curve down for the suspender. Curve over here. Line. Down. Up. Down. Up over here. Down. Line across. Curve. Curve. Right here for the edge of, you know, his glove. But it's going to vignette down. Vignette means it's just going to kind of disappear on the way down. It's like an attractive way to end the drawing. Okay, cool. I'm going to go over here, draw a circle. Right there on the suspender. A line under there. Alright, we got him pretty much mostly done, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our attention to from him over here to the right. We're going to go to Bowser, and his head's going to be much bigger. Okay, so let's start over here, and I want him right in his face. So he's got the snout. So let's say kind of a C shape right here. That snout. Curve back. Down over here. Back. Curve. Okay, for kind of the back of his mouth. We're going to pull this upward here in this area. It kind of looks like a donut or something. I notice his mouth. Line. Curve line out. Up. Curve. Down over here. Down over here for the jaw. Then we're going to kind of slowly wrap it back in here. Alright, let's go to the teeth inside the, that's the mouth, right? That's essentially the mouth, Bowser's mouth. And then we're going to go over here, we're going to draw the teeth, curve up, curve up, curve up, curve up. Line, 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 line. Curve, curve, curve. Go over here. Line for the eye. It's going to be the under part of the eye. He's always squinting his eyes, Bowser, because he's angry. Line up. Up over here. Downward. Dot right there for the eye. Pulling in. Up. Right there, top of that eyebrow. It's a little bit of like a ski slope up. Whoop. I wanted to do. Let me know if you want like a realistic version. I might do a realistic version of Bowser just for fun. Curve over here up, or the nostril. Now we're gonna go over here and finish off the eyebrow by going like this, zigzag, like so. Up over here. Cool, cool, cool. Let's right here we're gonna find the horn. He has a horn, okay? So it's gonna be right here, pulling up, kind of behind that. Down. And then we're gonna have a curved line right there, like a curved C. Over here, another one as well. Just gonna wrap that, make that more stable, that horn. Curve down over here because his shell is gonna be running right into him. Back, sliding off the page. Over here, curve. All right, let's take a little break, okay? I want to show you the shirt I'm wearing. Check it out real fast. This incredibly amazing Bowser shirt. If I can find it, like as far as online, I'll try to put it in the description. But really amazing stuff. All right, so without interruption, let's jump right back into the lesson. Just thought it'd be a cool little break. Down right here for kind of the lip of that shell, right? You want that to essentially be, you know, kind of that lip right there. And then curve back of the head right here. Find the back of the head over here. Down. And we're going to put his arm on this side, okay? Curve down, more or less just a straight line. Then line over here. Line across over here because he has an armband toward the top of his arm, right? And then the top of that armband. Spike. And on this side from the front, it's going to look more like a circle and a circle. Okay. Go over here on this side. Curve. And we're gonna leave it as so. I am gonna put the circles on it right there, like circle, circle, spike, spike on this side. Again, we're vignetting this stuff. Go over here, curve for the back of the shell, spike, keep going. Over here on this side, spike, curve, line over here. Curve up, down for another spike. We'll draw like a line and a line and a line kind of right through there. Curve around here. Curve around here. And maybe I'll throw in another spike just for the heck of it. Alright. What's he missing at the top of his head? Before that though, let's go over here downward. Rest of his collar, line up, circle, 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 downward right here, line, top of the head over here, line back for his hair, right? That's what we're missing. Down. Gonna go over here, draw a wave. Down, wave, down. It's got those C curves in that whole thing, and that is it. What you're gonna do though is stick around because I am going to color this, and you will kind of see that come to life. All right, so let's hop into the color section. Don't forget to share the video if you enjoy it. Mario versus Bowser, and you're ready for the movie, the Mario movie eventually. But yeah, thanks so much. I hope you have a great time, and stick around for colors, alright? Let's hop right into it.